welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to apply CSS style using class in ID to an HTML element. First, let me explain what class is and ID, or the difference between the two. Class is used to apply style to a group of HTML elements, whereas ID is used to apply style to a specific element. With that said, let me show you how the class in ID is attached to an element in HTML. In this particular example, I have two sections, the about and contact. As you can see here, class heading is common for the two, whereas the section 1 and section 2 ID is different. This applies the same to the paragraph as well. Let's continue writing the style using the class in ID. To apply style using a class, you need to type dot and then the class name. Here I want both the headings to be center aligned relative to the web page and also have the same font size. To do that, next I want to apply different coloring for both the headings. When you are applying a style using an ID, you type hash and then the name of the ID. So par1, hash par1. I want a color for the first one to be green. For the second, I want the color to be blue. Let's apply some style using the class and ID for the content. Dot content. Both paragraphs I want them to have a background color of black. And then the same font size, 14 pixels. However, I want to use different coloring for each. To do that, hash par1, paragraph 1. Here the color, make sure when you are setting color, make sure that the contrast is maintained so it is visible. Since the background color in both cases is black, so white is okay for the first one, and I will choose a different color for the next. You can just copy this and edit. Now let's run and see how the website looks like. Okay, I've made a mistake here. This is supposed to be section 1. And this one, section 2. Let's again run and see how it looks like. Now, as you can see, both the headings have the same font size as well as they are centered relative to the web page, and the paragraphs have similar background but coloring different. So you have learned the difference between class and ID. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.